At some point you will have created your very first question and you're satisfied with the result. And now you want to create more questions. You can do that in two ways. First, you can create more of the same question quite easily. If you want to repeat the type of question that you've just created, you can copy your question by clicking the three dots on the right top of the question and selecting copy. Now a new question appears. The only difference is the name of the question. What is important is that these names will also label the data when you export it. So when we export the data, this question will have the name attitude ice cream. It is important to create sensible names with some kind of convention. So if this is an attitude about some other thing, let's say attitude dogs or cats if you're a cat person, then this will be exported, these data will be exported with the name attitude dogs. Now you have created a copy of this question. That's all well and nice, but you may also want to create a new type of question. You can do that by clicking the plus below or above a question. So if I click the plus above here, a new question appears and I can modify it in any way I see fit. And as you do this more and more often, your survey will grow. And what is important is that all the questions in one block are presented on the same page. I'll show you that. Here you see how my page is now looking. You see that we have two blocks here with a matrix question and the multiple choice question in between. This is not ideal because if you keep adding more and more questions, eventually you'll have a huge number of questions on one page depending on the survey project you're working on. And it's important to break that up. And I'll show you how you can do that, and there are two ways to do that.